This is a beautiful 1964 Ford Thunderbird, and it's a very light blue color. Blue interior, gorgeous. Love that rounded corner there in the back seat there. It's really, really cool. And steering wheel is a swing away wheel. Moves towards the center of the car to help you get in and out of the car. And here are all the extras that it has. But basically, a kind of a bare bones T-Bird. This is what you got for your base price. Beautiful. Now there's a story behind the car. This was bought by his granddad, and that picture that you saw on the listing there of the features the car has is his granddad, and you'll see a little bit more as we get around the other side. And the gentleman told me I could open the door, so I did, and check that out. Everything is beautifully preserved. Gorgeous. Wheel covers with the spinner. 390 under the hood, 300 horsepower. Power brakes and steering. Just beautifully restored, and even the battery has the caps that were typical of batteries of the day, covering each individual cell. And the story behind the purchase of the car is his granddad went into town one day with his 59 Ford Galaxie 500, and he saw this car in the Ford showroom. And he asked how much it would be with the trade-in of his Galaxie, and he was told, and he went to the bank, and they prepped the car, and he drove home in this car. So it's been in this family for all those years. And right there you see a picture of Granddad and his wife, this gentleman's grandmother. Amazing. And so it's really neat to find out the story behind a car like this. And obviously it has a lot more value than just being a car. It's a reminder of family. And what a wise individual Granddad was. He knew how to pick them. Gorgeous. And grandmother was evidently, the owner told me she was so surprised she almost fell out the window.